guys, Rayyan here. One more time we came on the LeetCode Cam
And in
channel.
today's video, we are solving our 415 question by the name of add a string.
Yeah, we are solving this question in today's video. So please like the video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit all the notification bell also. So you never miss about these other videos on the channel. So let me meet you. Let me move to a big screen and let's do a coding with love.
Inge.
So guys, let's start to solve our 415 question by the name of add strings. And many people are thinking why I'm not solving the 411 question. I want to solve 411 because in the previous video I solved 410 question and in today's video I'm solving 415. Why? Because let me show you. If I come on to weekly contest 6 and we solve over all the things of the weekly contest 6 and we solve all the things of the weekly contest 7 also, and in the weekly contest 7 we solve like this one. This is the last one which we have solved. So this minimum unique is locked, so that's why I'm not solving it this now. And then let's come out of weekly contest 8. In our weekly contest 8 our add strings, then it has been come to the 15, so that's why. Okay, so anyways, let's start to solve it. So first of all, if you want to solve this, so backspace now, perfect. Now let me comment it here and then space. Now if you want to solve it, so you only want to do it, let me tell you some things which we want to follow. So first of all, remove these things, remove this, enter press. Now define here I comma j. Sorry, first of all we read the question. Okay, so first of all, so let's copy the question and then paste the question, and then let's copy this question and then paste this, then give the font to the Poppins. And now let's see this carry total return join dot result. Let me see one thing only. Okay, now let me imagine. Let's see. Now it is saying me given two non-negative integer. It is saying me give me two non-negative integer. First integer name is num1 and num2, represented as a string. Okay, these two non-negative integers are represented as a strings, num1 and num2. Now our task is, in today's video we want to return the sum of num1 and num2 as a string. So this is a task of our video. We want to return the sum of a num1 and num2 as a string. Now you must solve the problem without using any built-in library. Okay, so we must solve the problem without using any type of built-in library for handling large integers such as big integer. You must also not convert the inputs to integers directly. Okay, these are the rules which we want to follow. Rules, let me enter rules, then let me, these are the rules, then let me give the font to it. So these are the rules which we want to follow. So now let's see our example. So in the example 1, here you create a one num1 equals to, here you create a one integer by the name of num1 in which he write 11, and the 2, here you create a one num2 string. Okay, string by the name of num2 in which he write 1 2 3, and the output will become 1 3 4. In our case, when our output will become in the string format, our output will become the 134. And in our example 2, here he created one string by the name of num1 in which he write 4 5 6 and num2 7 7. So our output will become 5 3 3 in the format of string. Then num3 in which he write num1 equals to, here he create a one, in the example 3, here he create a one string by the name of num1 in which he writes 0, and one more string here he created by the name of num2 in which he writes 0. So output will become 0 in the string format, and these are the constants which we want to use. Okay, so I understand this. So in our all three cases our output will become in the string. Okay, string. So let's start to solve it. So ij then equals to len. So we found the length of the num1 and then minus 1 comma length. Now here we found the length of a num2 and then minus 1. Now here I carry equals to 0. Here I create one integer by the name of carry. So here I create one list by the name of result. So I use here while loop in which I write I greater than equals to 0 or j greater than equals to 0 or carry. So I am writing my carry integer which I defined in our fourth line. So here I define one new variable by the name of digit 1 then equals to int. Then let me zoom it because I do not sync my code because my eyesight is weak, so that's why. Okay, but let me unzoom it because I zoom many. Okay, so int num1 I then define here if I greater than equal to 0 else will be 0. Then digit 2 here we define in which I define equals to int num2 j then if j greater than equals to 0 else will be 0. Enter. Define a total equals to digit 1 plus digit 2 plus carry. Then here we use the carry integer which we use in the above line. Total equals to 10, sorry, divided by 10. Now enter. Here now we result dot append, and you all know what is the use of append method. Append method is used to combine two things together. Okay, dot append then str then total then we write module sign. So there is a module sign if you don't know in the arithmetic operator. If you see my arithmetic operator video, so you must know that this is a module sign. 1 j minus equals to 1. Enter. Now here now we remove this all the code remove this also. Okay, space only want to do it return semicolon dot join result then semicolon minus 1 and then remove this. Perfect. So here you can see it, we easily as we solve this also. So let's see our answer is correct or not. So let's recheck it. So it's the easy one, so that we solve it very fastly. So let's run it and let's see it is correct or not. So when I run it, so here you can see it, our all cases are accepted. Our case 1 is also be accepted, case 2 is also be accepted, case 3 is also be accepted. And let's see the summation. Summation is correct, so I will be satisfied. So you can see it, our summation is also be correct. We solve it in the 4 milliseconds very easily as. So come to my profile by the name of Rayyan, like you all know. So this is my profile. I solved 118 question. Okay, here you can see it, and I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. So now anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.